Now, what about in the studio environment? I've been hearing a lot about automated studios, where it's I guess you drive a car in and you leave and it does its
Not
thing. And you come
exactly
back.
right.
Like, tell me about that. What does that look like?
Okay. So what can be automated in the photo studio?
Yes.
You don't automate the drive in and drive out, because the human being has got to do it. Even if it's Tesla, I don't really want to.
Yeah.
But what you automate is the process of shooting, and the process that takes a lot of time and there is waste of time, it's the uploading and publication.
Mm-hmm.
So what is automated in our photo studio from the batch, I'm going to tell you about something new that comes in, which is amazing, is once you drive in and you bring the photo studio, the turntable to here, when you click go, the cameras automatically shoot the right numbers of pictures, and they synchronize so you can have one camera does it, and one camera does it, and another camera does video from here. They all work together. And remember, they're smartphone, so they have to talk to each other through Google. Because you cannot make a smartphone shoot. So the automation here is that there is a control center that work with the secure system of Google and send commands to the camera. Then they stop automatically when the time comes, and automatically they upload those images to the cloud, and then they assemble together to be. So that's the automation.
Gotcha.
Nowadays, we even automate the turntable. So you click start, the turntable come to the right position, you drive the car, you click load, you go to the other position, you click start, it does the work, stop. This is the automation. Anything that is mundane or human can make a mistake, it's now done by computers. Side product of it that we can log into it and see what you're doing. So if you need training, we just log in and you see what we're doing. Or if you do something wrong, like the position of the car is wrong, or you leave the door open, we see all of this stuff, and we constantly training the client.
Interesting.